Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Oh, welcome back. I make a shrimp tortilla for supper tonight, and I want to show you how easy it is using my fast cooking system. I have everything ready in my advanced prepping, so all I need to do is to thaw out the shrimp. Again, I am shooting for my 30-minute cooking window. Cooking this meal is fast and it's a lot of fun, and it gives a nice change to my other regular meals. This meal also demonstrates the versatility of the wok because I use the wok first of all to heat up the tortillas. This again is what I call a one cooking utensil meal. By using the wok, I can do everything to cook this meal. As usual, I am using my Cuisina 14-inch stainless steel wok. One of the main reasons I really like this wok is because I can keep it clean and without worrying it from rusting. I'm going to use shrimp for the filling of these tortillas, but I'm going to use the shrimp mainly as a condiment rather than as the main ingredients. I first coat the shrimp with cornstarch. That actually will give the shrimp a slight crispy breading, and at the same time it keeps the inside of the shrimp moist and tender. I find the best method to cook the shrimp is by shallow frying. I lay out the shrimp on the flat surface of the wok and I let it fry for about 30 to 40 seconds on one side, and then I turn it over to fry the other side. Personally, this is probably the best way to cook the shrimp. It gives the shrimp a slight crispiness on the surface, but still it is very nice and soft inside. And next, I found some chopped onion as well as some mushroom, which I cut them up a little bit further in order to fit better into the dish. I have both of them available in my advanced prepping, so it is really easy to incorporate them into the dish. To me, advanced prepping is truly the driving force of my cooking. It makes cooking more spontaneous. Every time when you walk into the kitchen, you know everything you need is ready. Next, I found some cherry tomatoes as well as some scallion that already cut up. I add them at the last because I don't want to cook them too much, particularly the tomatoes. After mixing the ingredients for about several seconds, the dish is ready to serve. And the total cook time of this dish is about 4 minutes. I actually do not season this dish at all because I want they retain their natural flavor. My wife prefers to fill the tortillas with sour cream and cheese, whereas I like to actually season the tortillas with hoisin sauce. This dish turned out to be very convenient because instead of having everything separate, such as the tomatoes, the onions, and the mushroom, I put everything together into one dish. And so by adjusting the seasoning of the content in the tortillas, you can make it Asian or make it Mexican. So this dish is truly a fusion approach. I like tortillas and I love shrimp, but I also like hoisin sauce, so I can combine them all together. This is the reason I think home cooking is superior to any other ways that you can get your food, because you can tailor it exactly how you like it. I don't think I can go anywhere to have somebody make a tortillas exactly like this for me. Furthermore, I have a lot of other options. For example, next time when I have this meal again, I might change my mind. I might want to put some sour cream and cheddar cheese instead. So again, I designed my fast cooking system to achieve this type of cooking goals. Because with fast cooking system, you have flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking to make your cooking situation that amenable for you to innovate, create, and adapt. To me, this is what makes home cooking fun and also sustainable, because every time I walk into the kitchen, I'm really not sure what I'm going to come up with. And there's always a sense of excitement and expectation. And furthermore, once you build up your repertoire with template-based cooking, you're going to have a lot of dishes that you can cook, and you will never get bored. I truly believe in my cooking system, and it has transformed my life. And I believe that it will do the same for you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.